I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry remote job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Families First, and they're looking for an administrative data entry operator. For this job, you will gather, collate, and prepare documents, materials, and information for data entry. You'll conduct research to obtain information for incomplete documents and materials. You'll create digital documents from paper or dictation. You will review all documents and information for accuracy and informing the supervisor of any errors or inconsistencies. You'll capture data into digital databases and perform regular backups. You will update and maintain databases, archives, and filing systems. You will monitor and review databases and correct errors or inconsistencies. You will generate and export data reports, spreadsheets, and documents as needed. And you'll perform clerical duties such as filing, monitoring office supplies, scanning, and printing as needed. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have a high school diploma or GED. You must have 1 year of experience as a data entry operator or something similar to that. You must have excellent typing abilities. You must have excellent time management and multitasking abilities. You must have proficiency in data capturing and office management software such as MS Office and Google Suite. You must be able to manage and process high volumes of data accurately. You must have a good understanding of databases and digital and paper filing systems. You must have knowledge of administrative and clerical operations. You must have a keen eye for detail and the ability to concentrate for extended periods. And you must have excellent verbal and written communication skills. This is a full-time position. The next job is with WellWorks, and they're looking for a customer support and data entry specialist. Regarding the duties and responsibilities for this job, you will manage and respond to incoming emails that are directed to the Wellness for You customer support team as they pertain to forms and data questions. You will process high volume data entry of wellness program participation, including overall program participation, visit verification, and health metrics. You will accurately enter protected data into the wellness portal and maintain compliance with HIPAA. You will receive and review customer form submissions for accuracy and completeness. You will communicate with program participants regarding their form submissions as needed to ensure all information is entered correctly and completely. You will review and audit previously entered forms for completeness and accuracy, communicating any discrepancies to the customer support senior management and account manager as needed. You will ensure all incoming forms are processed and or audited within communicated deadline. You will communicate with wellness coordinators and managers to inform them of participation updates and program feedback. You'll maintain a high level of data entry accuracy, and you'll assist with customer support activities, including calls, chats, and emails as needed. Regarding the requirements for this job, 1 to 2 years of administrative experience with a customer and client focus is preferred. You must be able to perform high volumes of detail-oriented work at an efficient pace. Experience working with inbound and outbound calls is a plus. You must have excellent interpersonal and communication skills. You must have the demonstrated ability to prioritize tasks and manage time efficiently. You must have basic computer skills in various software and web-based applications. You must be able to maintain a high level of confidentiality on sensitive items. You must have strong attention to detail, and you must be self-motivated. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include medical, dental, vision, life, disability, 401k with employer match, and EAP benefits, mental health benefits, paid maternity leave after 12 months, paid time off, including time off to volunteer in your community, wellness program and team building opportunities with incentives, milestone anniversary program, and ongoing training and education. The salary range for this job is from $38,000 to $48,000. With this job, you have the option to work from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., or 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. This is a full-time position. The next job is with NTT Data, and they're looking for a data entry associate. Regarding the responsibilities for this job, you will scrub, research, and validate data entry of provider contract records. You will update status in the customer systems. You will research and install healthcare provider contracts, including verification of provider information, contract accuracy, and database loading. You will retrieve and enter data from computer and web-based systems, files, and other documents. You will analyze information collected to identify potential problems and discrepancies. You will ensure accurate and timely completion of transactions to meet or exceed clients' service level agreements. You will apply healthcare and insurance domain knowledge, theoretical concepts to undertake problem solving. You will identify and resolve both routine and non-routine problems or escalation to more proficient team members. And you will monitor the email box and send responses to inquiries. Regarding the required skills and experience for this job, they want you to have 1+ years of experience in a professional and office-related environment. For example, like office support, data entry, clerical customer service that required you to work regularly scheduled shifts. They want you to have 1+ years of experience using a computer with Windows applications that required you to use a keyboard, navigate multiple screens and computer systems, and learn new software tools. And you must have at least a high school diploma or GED. Regarding their preferences, they want you to be able to communicate effectively, both orally and written, in a professional or office setting. They want you to have effective troubleshooting skills where you can leverage your research, analysis, and problem-solving skills. They want you to have time management skills that require the ability to cope with a complex, changing environment. And they want you to have knowledge of AS400, Windows-based systems, Excel spreadsheets, following standard operating procedures. Now remember, these are their preferences and not their requirements. Please note that all new hires will be required to successfully complete their training course and demonstrate proficiency of the material. The required schedule availability for this position is Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The shift schedule can be changed as per client's requirements. Additionally, employees may have to work overtime based on client's requirement. The starting hourly range for this position is $16 an hour. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.